Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. In data analysis and scientific computing, handling missing data, NaN values, is a common task. NumPy provides several ways to deal with NaN values, including dropping them from arrays. Tutorial on dropping NaN values with NumPy. What is NaN? NaN stands for not a number. In NumPy, NaN is used to represent missing or undefined values. It is a special floating point value that can arise from various operations, such as dividing by zero or attempting to perform calculations with missing data. Why drop NaN values? When performing calculations or analyses, NaN values can lead to incorrect results. Therefore, it is often necessary to remove or ignore these values. Using NumPy to drop NaN values. Step 1. Import NumPy. First, you need to import the NumPy library. If you haven't installed it yet, you can do so using pip. Then, import the library in your Python script. Step 2. Create an array with NaN values. Let's create a NumPy array that contains some NaN values. Step 3. Dropping NaN values. To drop NaN values from a NumPy array, you can use the np.isNaN function combined with Boolean indexing. Complete code example. Here's how everything comes together in a complete example. Output. When you run the code, you should see. Conclusion. In this tutorial, we learned how to drop NaN values from a NumPy array using Boolean indexing and the np.isNaN function. Handling NaN values is crucial for data cleaning and preparation in any data analysis or machine learning task. Feel free to explore additional functions in NumPy for more advanced data cleaning operations.